Hey guys, this is Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Today we're going to take a look at this flashlight that I just purchased. This is the Tlr-7 sub, as you guys can see here. This is the packaging that it comes in. It's nice little plastic packaging. On the back, you're going to get some information for as far as everything that comes in the box, included the multi-tool. Basically just some simple information about this light. This one is designed for the G43X and the G48 MOS. Both of those are the MOS versions with the rail. So let's take a look at exactly what comes in the box, and let's talk a little bit about it. All right, so opening the box, let's see if we can open it the easy way. Just pop this out. All right, so in the box, the first things that we're greeted with is going to be what looks to be like a little brochure, a little mini brochure that comes with it. And we get a sticker. So we get this cool little 50-year sticker. That's nice. And of course, it comes with a starter manual. Here is the tool that I mentioned before, that multi-tool that comes with it for changing out your different finger controls, and pretty much a very extensive manual when it comes to walking through setting up this light for your personal use. All right, so let's take a look at the light itself. As you guys can see here, this is the light. Now, this light will require a battery. It does come with the battery. The battery is actually included. So let's pop this battery out. Let's take a look at the battery really quickly. So this is what we get. These are going to be easy to find. You can purchase these batteries pretty much anywhere. This is the CR123A. This is a 3-volt battery, so that's going to be pretty easy. You can find these almost any place. Now, to install the battery, you're going to take the top cap off right here. This is just going to screw off like so. And you just keep rotating it until it completely comes off like that. That's the base. And then the battery actually seats in, and it even shows you right here on the light the direction that the battery needs to go in. Okay, so you're just going to place your battery in like so. And then you're going to take the lens and you're just going to replace it. Be careful not to over thread it. All right, so we're just going to line that up. And then we can start to rotate this down. And you're going to hear a little click. Now, there is an on and off switch here for this light that allows you to turn it on and off for like if you're traveling with it. But this should be on. So let's turn it to the on position. There's the on. And now we should be able to turn our light on. Let me make sure I got it set up right. Okay, so that's off. And that's on. So the options you have with this light, guys, is you have the option of just single tap, which will just turn the light on like so. And then that's going to stay on. So that's going to stay on the whole time that you're using the light. And then you just repeat that to turn the light off. Or you can do a press and hold. So press and hold is just going to allow you to turn the light on and be able to utilize this in the room or to clear a room or wherever you're using this light. Now, this is a 500 lumen light, which is about halfway through their power range as far as these type of lights. There are, other lights out there that are higher capacity, but 500 lumens is going to be more than enough for most people. Now, to mount the light, and you do need to make sure that you purchase the light that is specifically for your needs. This one has the GL on it, so that means I know that this is exactly what I need for the device I'm going to be connecting it to. You have this mounting screw here, and this is just going to tighten everything down once you get this on your rails, and then you'll be able to set it up. All right, guys, so I just want to give you a really quick look at this light. This is an all-metal construction, very little plastic at all, except for maybe just these little finger press buttons here. Really nice design. I do like this. I like this. All right, guys, so it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Peace. I'm out.